Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alicia and I'm the owner of Alicia Be Creative. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some cute last minute gifts just for mom this Mother's Day to really show her how special she is. And we're going to be using some of my favorite machines. We're going to be using the Auto Tumbler Heat Press from HTVRont and their newest press, which presses things like phone cases, buttons, coasters, and so many fun things. And I'm going to show you exactly how this one works as well, giving you the opportunity to make an amazing gift set for that special woman in your life. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. All right, so we're going to start by unboxing the newest machine. So this was the smaller box that was sent to me, and this has a few items in here. There's some keychains and coasters. There's some of the sort of like larger like leather coasters. We have some Android phone cases and some iPhone cases. The iPhone cases are for an iPhone 16, and so we are going to be pressing one of those today. I also got the universal case for Androids, and then of course these are some of those other things that you can also press on. These sublimation sort of like ceramic ornaments that I think you would be able to kind of put on trees and stuff. Now, there is special paper that you are going to want to use with this machine, and it does come with it. So now we're going to go ahead and unbox the largest box here, of course, which has the press in it. And it is going to have some of those smaller items as well that I did already show, that is just going to give you, just some additional things that you might be able to press with and such, in case you're wanting to test things out. So we do have some buttons in here. We have our heat resistant tape, our gloves, of course, just the initial information about setup process, and of course the actual machine. So here is our sublimation film that we're using. You get a flat plate to do your coasters and most of your flat items, but we're going to be using the phone case press part today. So we're going to go ahead and get this plugged in. And of course, we'll get this turned on so that we can see exactly what this is going to do and how it's going to work. So I'm really excited that I finally got my hands on this machine. And so I really wanted to just make something fun. So being that Mother's Day is the next thing coming up, I thought it would be really cute to put a matching gift set together in order to make a custom or creative sort of gift set to gift to mom. So I haven't used this machine yet, but as of the filming of this video, we're going to kind of dive in and I'm going to show you and tell you all about it together. So right off the bat, obviously, I absolutely love this gorgeous color. Purple's my favorite, and so this is like, it's all for me, and I absolutely love it. It is pretty lightweight, pretty sturdy as well compared to other machines that I've used, which I really love, and it really is quite beginner friendly. So what you've seen me do so far is I have gone on and turned on the machine, and this actually has two heat plates, one that's directly in the bottom and one that is in the surface as well. And so there's two modes. The yellow mode is going to turn on that higher heat plate, and then the red mode will turn on the lower heat plate. So you can actually set time and temperature for both of those heat plates, which is actually really cool. Now, this does work on a vacuum system. So essentially, when you've printed your film, you are going to set it on top of your machine with the glossy side down to be able to allow that film to fully dry. Then once your case press is fully heated, you'll be able to attach your phone case mount into the machine. It has little holes where this fits. Then you'll go ahead and set the little pieces that go in the phone case. So there's, depending on what case you're going to be using, there are little sort of metal gadgets and things that kind of protect the holes. So you're actually going to tape that in with some heat resistant tape before you go ahead and clamp in that sublimation phone case into the actual machine. Once you've done that, you'll now place the film on top of that sublimation case with the matte side down, so the side that was printed on, and you are going to let this machine do all of the work. So we are doing this at 275 for about 300 seconds here. And we're just going to let that count down. Now, this machine does make a bit more noise than some of the other machines that I have used, but it's nothing that's like super disruptive. But you will hear that turn on, and that is that vacuum turning on, and of course, suctioning that print onto your sublimation case and getting that print all the way around the edges. Once the timer is up, you're going to want to quickly release that film so that it doesn't stay stuck there. And then you can pull your phone case out and look how vibrant this is. Now, I would love to tell you that the first time that I did this, it came out amazing. This is actually the second try because the first time I hadn't set the second heat plate. So I was only working with the heat plate in one direction. Therefore, it did not work exactly how I wanted it to. But I am loving how this came out. So definitely leave me some questions down below if you have more questions about this. I will go into more detail in a different video where I show some of the other things that we can do with this machine. But of course, I want to jump over to my other favorite press from HTVRont, and that is the Auto Tumbler Heat Press. Now remember, this press can press 40-ounce tumblers, and I don't know about you, but that's a game changer. One of the most popular size cups that I often have ordered in my shop is a 40-ounce. And so being able to create beautiful, flawless designs, sublimation, quick, simple, easy, and get it done within just a few minutes is absolutely amazing. It makes creating those last minute gifts so much easier, so much quicker, and really allow you to be able to get into other crafts and do other things and not have to wait for your cup to be done, because this press does all of the work. And what's even more amazing about this press and why I personally love it so much, other than the fact that it does press those 40-ounce tumblers, is the fact that this does all the work. So in my previous presses, a lot of times you would have to press your tumbler and then you would have to let that timer go off and then you'd have to rotate it. So because of the way that this machine is designed, you don't have to do that. The machine does all of the work, adding even pressure to the tumbler all the way around so that you don't have to worry about not getting an even press ever. And that is what is so amazing about this press, because I don't know about you, but ghosting used to make sublimation so frustrating for me, because of course you think you would have like the perfect taped on sublimation image and everything is nice and tight, and then you take it out of the press after it's done and you end up with some areas where the print did not press fully, right? So that ghosting look that just doesn't have an even press really ruins a project and ruins great materials as well. So that's also a bit of a bummer. So of course, having this machine that you can set the pressure for the amount of pressure that goes on to the cup is literally like amazing. I no longer have to worry about stopping what I'm doing and coming over to rotate the cup. I just let the press do all of the work, and that is literally all I have to do. I can walk away into other spaces in my craft room and get other things done as I'm working on sublimation 40 ounces or 20 ounces or whatever size cup I am using with this machine, because again, it is just so easy to use. You're literally going to push the button after it is fully warmed up, after you've taped on your item, and that's all you have to do. It just really makes creating sublimation cups fun again and not so frustrating. So now that we've fully taped on this beautiful sunflower design here, we're going to go ahead and put on the silicone wrap that goes around the 40 ounce. You also get one of these if you're using the version that has the 20 ounce as well. And this is just going to keep everything nice and evenly pressed, of course, and make sure we're evenly distributing all of that heat around the tumbler. So we'll go ahead and scoot that into the right side of the tumbler. We're going to press this for 390 degrees for 300 seconds. We'll go ahead and push that R, which means it's good to go. And after that 240 seconds, mind you, is done, the press will open back up. And now we have this absolutely beautifully pressed tumbler that we just have to wait to cool, and we can go ahead and peel. So you guys know, of course, I'm going to show you this beautiful peel and reveal, but I have to tell you, I never get tired of watching these peels and reveals with this machine, because again, I can guarantee that my prints are going to be vibrant, that they're all going to be pressed evenly, and that I'm not going to have to go back and do this cup over because something got messed up. And that is what I love about HTVRont and their projects and their machines. It really just makes doing what I love so much easier and so much enjoyable. Nothing's more frustrating than working on something new and kind of getting stuck at every, corner and opportunity. There's always just something, some sort of learning curve. And with HTVRont products, I have really been so happy and so grateful that every time I've opened something new from them, it's so easy to be able to take it out of the box and not look at directions 9 times out of 10 and be able to put an amazing creative project together. So of course I couldn't just put these two together and not show you the final look. I did also add this super cute little name tag on top of this cup to go with the mom theme, of course. And so I just love how this came out, a perfect matching set just in time for Mother's Day. All right, so that concludes today's tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me use the auto tumbler heat press and the newest press from HTVRont to make this gorgeous set. So thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, if you have any questions about either machine, I do have some more details in the description box of this video, and you can also find a discount code to be able to use to purchase either one of these machines during HTVRont's Mother's Day sale. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.